Welcome, parents and family. This is Mr. Marrero. This year I teach pre-algebra and U.S. history. I'm excited to be working at Dunedin Highland Middle School, and I really look forward to a great year with your student. I'll be graded on 3 expectations in my class: classwork's and notebook, homework, and quizzes and tests. The homework would be assigned and posted in Canvas or from unfinished classwork. And if we use the workbook, there is an online version of the text that you can access through Clever, when we use it, I should say. Students are going to be responsible for bringing a writing utensil every day, a scientific calculator every day, their digital device every day. And I would also like their undivided attention and participation. If there is any questions, please contact me at marreroj@pcsb.org. Welcome, parents and families. My name is Mr. Marrero. I teach pre-algebra and U.S. history this year, and I look forward to a great year with your student. The main 3 things that I'm going to be grading on, or my expectations, are classwork and notebook, homework, and quizzes and tests. Homework will be assigned and posted in Canvas on a weekly basis. And there will be online versions. There's also an online version of the text that you can access through Clever. Spanish version is available. My quizzes and tests will be standards based, and tests will be maybe digital or a paper pencil. And I may assign take-home quizzes. There's also several tests and the EOC exam. Supplies needed every day are a digital device, a writing utensil, a composition notebook or folder, graph paper, and a scientific calculator. I look forward to a great year with your student, and I'm proud to be a teacher at Dunedin Highland Middle School. If you have any questions for me, you may contact me at the email marreroj@pcsb.org. Thank you.